new done what I have. Here's the done.
Here, get a napkin to stick right there.
Here's the pots.
Here, man. Pick it up for a second. Pick it up for a second. Put it down.
And here's all the pots. There's still one. So, I don't know what that is. I just put it in there. Stop.
Sorry.
So guys, today we're going to learn about all this. And he's put this battery on.
You can check him out at Tyson Valdez blog on YouTube.
Ta-da!
Ta-da.
So this is my done today. So see, you know something you can do here, like this.
I got it.
Thank you. So look what I have. We have one big banana tip. So I'm really excited to get this one. What does that smell? Cookies. Yeah, we buy.
We made cookies.
We buy cookies.
Cookies.
Stop.
Okay.
You spit it.
I did.
Stop. Stop. Okay, guys. So today we are gonna knit the banana tip. Daddy, can you just get that bullets over there?
What?
Those bullets over there.
Yeah, I could get the bullets for you over there. Here you go, Tyson.
Stop. Sorry, guys, that wasn't the topic. So today we're going to learn about this. So the next weekend of the
Here.
do this.
Here it is. Here it is.
Okay.
Sit up so they can see you, son.
Here's the done. We should go with this one. Mommy!
Yeah. Mommy's cleaning up your mess, son.
What mess?
The stuff you just like threw out of the box to get a box. Yeah.
like you're done. Mommy, I told you, Dad.
Yeah, I heard.
Mommy,
I love that gun, honey.
thank you. I need to add a little bit pieces to it. Mommy, I don't know where this piece.
I don't know how you're gonna add anything to that gun. It's really big.
I don't know where this piece is.
Oh.
I don't.
Isn't it this piece?
No.
Yes, it is.
No.
That's the silencer. You want that on there, or you want this?
What is this one? So
In your hand.
you can put it right.
Put that right there.
Right here. Get it. Help. Can you help? The olive. You can sip it.
I don't know how to do that.
No, I saw it out of the movie. Today we are learning about this. So, we put this on the side.
Mommy has lost her mind.
What? Today we have here is a pig gun. So that is big one today, guys. So in the comments, your brothers or sisters see this gun. So